to create Viber group. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create Viber group. For that, open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now on this page, here click on this more option at the right bottom. Once you click on it, you will reach to your profile page. Here you will find Start a Group Chat option. At the right side, you will find the Start Now button. Click on this button to start creating a group chat. Now from the list, you can select the person whom you want to add to your group. Once you have selected the people, click on the arrow button at the right bottom and you will reach to this page. Here you can give a name to your group, and once you give the name, if you want to make this group as a community, you can select this option. If not, select this group chat and click on that tick mark at the top right. By doing so, it will take some time and your group has been created successfully. So in this way, you can create group on Viber. Now we can chat, share photos, videos, make calls on this group. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.